we're back, this time with the Kalado Cordless Vacuum. Honestly, I love anything cordless. It's so convenient. This is also a 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner, so you could use it for hardwood floors, carpet, pet dander, pet hair, all of that nasty stuff. So very well packaged. Right here it has a picture of how, I mean, this is just the regular way you could use it, but there's not much that's on this box really. On this side of the box, it says 3 suction adjuster, brushless motor, 1 click to empty, so it's easy to clean too. The cleaner is easy to clean. How awesome is that? All right, let's dig in. Oh, what's that? Oh, ooh, a little peephole. Peephole. Okay, so now that we opened the box, let's, there's 2 manuals. There's an installation manual and a user manual on how to use it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna unbox everything, take everything out, get this big box out of the way, and then we'll go one by one reading through this. So 1, 2, 3. This was not packaged, but it's just a little piece with the brush. Oh, we got more parts underneath. We got a whole lot going on in here. Hopefully it's easy to put together. That's what the manual is for though, so whoop! Ta-da! Fancy schmancy. Okay, so this is our main. Okay, so there's 2 manuals, like I said. We're gonna start with the installation manual. So we're gonna turn and open this page. It shows you what pieces connect to what pieces. So I'm looking at this one right now. This is what we're doing right now. 3 pieces. So this is the first piece. And then we're gonna get this piece. And last but not least, this piece. Okay. See that? I'm gonna connect it right in here. Wow. Nice and secure. That was easy. And then now we connect these 2. Wow, very compact. You guys see the whole thing? Okay, I'm gonna set this. Okay, so next we're gonna skip to this page. It's actually no pages, but on here, the power on, this is the piece we have. This is the handle. And then the suction power adjuster. So we need this little piece right here. I'm assuming it's this piece. Yep. Has a little weight to it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys where this is gonna go into. It's supposed to just slide in. Wow, so easy. Everything so far has been easy attachment, easy application. So now we're gonna see if this comes charged right out of the box or if we have to charge it before use. So right here, I'm gonna turn it, and right here you see the little button underneath. You just okay. So you see the battery life monitor right here. It shows you the power level. I'm gonna turn that off so I don't have to yell. So I don't know if you saw it, but there was only 2 out of 3 lit up. So there's a little charge in there, but it's not fully charged. Okay, so back to the installation instruction, which I didn't cover, but I'm going to cover now. On the top, it shows you all the different compact ways that you could use it as a handheld item for your car. You know, if you're using it for the couch, little cracks and crevices, it'll be right there for you. And these are all the accessories to use as a handheld device on couch and all of that. Okay, so now next step is we're gonna try it out. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna try this out. I'm not gonna be talking as much in the video so you could hear how it sounds, plus you're not gonna hear me anyway talking over this. We're gonna start off by using it over a carpet rug, and then we're gonna move on to using it on the hardwood floor. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see, it cleaned up pretty nicely. Now we're gonna move on to hardwood floor. Also, I want to mention there isn't this part is adjustable, so this is at its stock height. We're gonna pull down and then ta-da! Okay, let's go to the hardwood floors. Okay, so now we are on hardwood floor and we're gonna start cleaning that. A lot of pet hair, so it's actually sucking all that up. That's really good. There's some webs right here. We're gonna clean that up. I really like how it pivots when I just simply turn the handle and it already knows which way I'm trying to go. It's literally not a lot of work to use it. You don't have to bend down or crouch or adjust, stop and adjust. It really just, really easy to use. I love the pivotal action on this. You can see the LED display right there, so it can work as a spotlight when you're trying to get into like dark little crevices and areas, like let's say under the bed, under the table. Really good. And then right here, you could see all that debris, dirt, pet hair, that it. So you could see the container of dirt, and then to remove it and to throw it in the trash, you just, there's a little gray lever right there. You just pop it open and ta-da! And then when you're done tossing it out, you just click it back in. Super simple. Okay, so we're done testing it out, and honestly, I really like it. Over the carpet rug, it did really well. You know, it's not too loud, it's fast power, and that's not even on full charge. And it's as if it was fully charged. On the hardwood floors, I really loved The pivotal action, it was really easy to use. It knew everywhere where I was trying to go. All I had to do was like a small twist of the handle and the bottom part would already be turning that way. I really love that. Would I recommend getting this? I actually would. It's cordless. I mean, you could, and then there's also the other parts that you could turn into a handheld vacuum cleaner for your car. And also in that little time that we were doing cleaning, I like the fact that you could see the dirt and so you could tell if it's full or not. I like that it's clear, and it's easy to clean out. I really like the design. It's really nice and sleek. I like it. Okay guys, so that concludes our review on this item. Link will be provided below if you would like to snag one. See you guys next time.